So for this problem, to find the maximum or the minimum value of a function, so for this given function, so first, we need to find the first derivative. So y prime equals the derivative of 8x to the power 3. So this is 24 x to the power 2. Then the derivative of negative 9x squared. So this is negative 18x. And the derivative of a constant, this one is 0. So the first derivative is 24x to the power 2 minus 18x. Then we need to equate this y prime to 0. So this becomes 0, then equals 24 x to the power 2 minus 18x. Then observe for this function, every terms are divisible by 6. So we need to reduce. So this becomes 0, then equals this 24 divided by 6. This is 4x squared. Then minus 18 divided by 6. This is 3x. Then we can apply now the factoring, and we're going to use the common monomial factor because in every terms there is common, and the common is x. So we need to put 1x outside, and this 4x squared becomes 4x because we put 1x outside. Then this negative 3x becomes negative 3, then equals 0. Then equate now the two factors to 0. So this is x equals 0. And then the other one, 4x minus 3 equals 0. Then to solve for x. So this is now the first value for x. Then from this to solve for x, transpose this to the other side. So we have 4x equals positive 3. Then divide both sides by 4 to solve for x. So this is equal to positive 3 over 4. So these are the two values for x. Then to find the minimum and the maximum value, so we're going to use the second derivative test. And to find the second derivative from this first derivative, so since the first derivative is 24x to the power 2, then minus 18x. So to find the second derivative, that's double prime. So the derivative of 24x to the power 2, this is 48x. And the derivative of negative 18x, this is negative 18. So this is now the second derivative. Then using the second derivative, we can find now the maximum and the minimum by substituting these two values for x. So let's start with x equals 0. So from the second derivative, so this becomes 48 times 0 minus 18. Then the y double prime or the second derivative, this one is 0. So this is equal to negative 18. So since the second derivative is negative, therefore the value for x is the maximum value. So for this, x equals 0 is the maximum value for this function. Then for the second value for x, so at x equals positive 3 over 4. So again, from the second derivative, So this becomes 48 times x. X is 3 over 4. Then minus 18. Then to simplify, so this 48 divided by 4. This one is 12. And 12 times 3, that's 36 minus 18. So the second derivative is equal to positive 18. So since the value for the second derivative is positive, then the value for x is the minimum value. So therefore, this x equals 3 over 4 is the minimum value for this function. So these are now the maximum and the minimum value for this given function.